Hello from Slovenia again. So, today is March 17th and a lot of people in the world, all around the world, celebrate St. Patrick's Day. And it's all about green and shamrocks today. So weird when I think about shamrocks today. I constantly keep on singing Welcome to Jamrock from Damian Marley. I don't know why. So weird. I love Damian and I love Bob Marley too, so maybe that's why. And since I'm talking about that, probably you don't want to hear that, but I really love Sinead O'Connor, I think that pronounced her name right. She's an Irish singer. I love Celtic music too, and she has those tones and she loves to sang. I don't know if this is her I don't know orientation anymore, because she has some ups and downs in her life. So, but I really like her vibe of this traditional Celtic music. How can I say? I love this vibe of this music. I used to listen a lot of those kind of music, so that's I think, okay, this is the day that I can bring my and I love Ireland because I love how green it is, and I love how they talk. And I don't know, I never been to Ireland, but I love to watch those documentaries from all around the world and learn about countries and everything. So I really love a lot of things that are related to Ireland. So, and I said, okay, today's the day that I can pour something that it's related to Ireland. So it will be in greens, of course, and I will use this pizza stand today because it has 3 legs, you know, and I will do a ring pour with a split cup on top, and maybe do some things to get the shamrock, not the jamrock. And the colors that I'm using today are this is Amsterdam Naples Yellow Green Light, and I don't want to fill this over the top. And this is Amsterdam Olive Green Light. I just chose greens that I really love. No, it's not necessarily the St. Patrick's Day greens. I don't know, but I decided to use those colors. And this is Arteza Cactus Green. This color is beautiful, but I don't use it a lot, so I thought, okay, it will probably look nice in this color palette, so I will use it today. And I have Amsterdam yellowish, no, greenish yellow. Not yellowish green, greenish yellow. Oop, I saw a blob of paint or something. I hope that I will manage to get it out after. And I have Windsor&Newton olive green. I like this olive green. I have I like this olive green or Amsterdam olive green deep, but today I decided to use this one. So these are my colors for today. And I put only, I did those pours with pizza stands before, and I put one on top of each other, but today I thought, okay, I will use just this, and I hope that this stands here will create this kind of, you know, shamrock look. So let's start with the pour. Maybe I will go just like this in straight pours. I don't know, I kind of like straight pours probably more than ring pours. I don't know why exactly, that's how it is with me. Oh, there was that thing that I saw. This will stay on my stand anyway, so I don't know why I'm just keep on going with this. Have to catch this drip. Okay, let's leave this up. Didn't turn out as nice as I hoped, so I will just grab a balloon and dip here in the middle because I want some nice middle. Still not quite okay, but now I will grab a skewer and try to get this a little more defined. So let's bring this line towards the middle. Okay. And I will drag another line, probably, or not. Just maybe like this, not all over to the middle, just like that. So weird, it's a lot of this cactus green. I didn't expect that it will show as much as it is, so I will just pour a little white flow extender, a little bit of white flow extender around to just help this paint flow. So you can tell me in the comments, do you celebrate St. Patrick's Day? I have to say that we in Slovenia don't have these parades or something, but I know that in States you celebrate it because it's a lot of Irish heritage in States, probably not as much here in Europe, so Europe in Slovenia, so I don't know. You can tell me, maybe I will learn something new. I kind of like how this looks for now, and we will see what will happen when I will spin this out. So let's spin this. Obviously the ring that I didn't go totally to the, it will go off, I see here, but I don't mind. It kind of look like a shamrock, not a jamrock. For me at least, I don't know what you think. I will just turn my lights on because I saw that you have a glare, so I want to. I will pop these air bubbles. I think that I want to get rid of this part because it just too much to the side or something, just to, because those two are, or maybe I should bring it a little more towards the middle. It's kind of, okay, I think that I will leave this, and it is green. I'm not quite crazy about this thing that I did, this Rex, but I don't know. Maybe I should just leave it like it was without that rings. But I see kind of a leprechaun head into here, and leprechauns are related to St. Patrick's Day too, so I think it's kind of cool. And I'm not sure if this cactus green was the best idea to use here, but now it is what it is, and I will leave it like it is. So this is my Shamrock St. Patrick's Day pour, and I will take you down for a close-up. It has kind of a St. Patrick's vibe, I think. You see, this was not the best idea I think this cactus green almost looks blue. I don't know on camera why is that, but you see, I'm thinking to give it another spin, to just get rid of this a little bit maybe, because I'm not sure. But if I look at it from the distance, it's quite okay. Let's do another spin. And another one. So I'm holding my camera in my hands now, so a little weird for me maybe. I think that I like it better with, but now I see the blob of paint here, so I will put you back on the stand and just play a little more with this, because just have to make sure that I'm in frame again. And I will take this thing here out, you see, and give it another hard spin this time, because I want to spin it out quite some more. And a little bit more. Okay, now I see a shamrock here. Now I'm okay with that. So now I really can take you for a close-up. Much more green. I kind of like it now. All those greenery and lines are more defined, so love this olive green, but still thinks that this cactus green was not the best thing to use here in this color palette. I really think so. Should have had one darker green instead of that, but now it is what it is. So this was my St. Patrick's Day pour and my chit chat about singers and everything. So, but kind of like it that way maybe, because it looks like it's floating on, I don't know, something. I don't know. I will just leave it to dry and see what will look like. I shouldn't have done those, you know, 3 additional things, I believe, because they are not as, they didn't turn out as I hoped. So this is it for today, and see you on the next. Happy St. Patrick's Day if you celebrate it, and celebrate this holiday, and see you on the next one. Make your day green. See you. Bye.